Changzhou Bokang Special Material Technology Co., Ltd., founded in December 2017. A wholly owned subsidiary of Shenyang Zhonghe Special Metals Co., Ltd., specializing in medical-grade titanium alloys and nitinol. A high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales, dedicated to advancing core technologies. Building the Bokang brand, overcoming key technical barriers. Obtain China's Class II medical device manufacturing qualification, successfully achieving Chinese manufacturing of multiple medical-grade materials. Building a secure and independent supply chain, powered by a fully integrated 500-ton annual production line, over 100 tons of ready stock, comprehensive specifications for orthopedic and dental applications, an innovative customer-ready inventory model. Rapid response to industry demands. Integrated online and offline services. Convenient online inquiry and fast ordering. Dedicated technical support and reliable after-sales service. Certified to ISO 13485, ISO 9001, CE, and ROHS. Advanced equipment. Assured quality.